In Q1 2026, $7.9 billion poured into Singapore commercial real estate in a single quarter, surpassing Tokyo for the first time in 5 years. This is not a trend, this is a structural rotation. And if you are still holding residential as your core investment, you need to understand why the smart money already moved. Let me show you the map. A foreign buyer purchasing a residential property in Singapore today pays 60% ABSD. On a $5 million purchase, that is $3 million in tax. Gone before you even get the key. A Singapore citizen buying a second residential property pays 20%, but commercial and industrial assets, 0 ABSD. Across the board, every buyer category, local or foreign, that alone is the trigger. But here is what makes it a full rotation, not just a tax play. Prime CCR condos are delivering 1.5 to 2.5% gross yield. In a market showing softening and oversupply, industrial strata is delivering 4 to 6%, with 22 consecutive quarters of unbroken rental growth driven by semiconductors, biomedical and data centers on a permanently finite land supply. Conservation shophouses are delivering 3 to 5% yield, freehold, with a supply that zoning permanently caps. No new ones can ever be created. And it is not just offshore capital. CapitaLand Investment just secured a 2.4 billion Singapore dollar mandate from income insurance to deploy directly into commercial real estate. Domestic institutional money is following the same thesis. One more thing, a lot of investors try to solve the ABSD problem by going cross-border. Malaysia condos, low entry price, no ABSD. But when you load in Malaysia's real property gains tax at 10 to 30% on foreign gains, currency depreciation, structural oversupply and management costs, the effective cost drag reaches 30 to 50%. The cheap price tag is an illusion. It hides a structural liability. The 26 investor playbook is clear. Follow the institutional flow. Target 0 ABSD commercial assets and buy what cannot be replicated. If you want to stress test your current property position against this rotation, send me your situation. I will give you a straight read, no pitch. WhatsApp +65 9750 1055.